In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Serum on Ableton. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. For you to use Serum on Ableton, first you will need to acquire a license. So if you still need to download it for Ableton, you will visit the website. So look for Serum or Serum 2, and you will be able to download it. So as you can see, you need to rent it for $9.99 per month. I'm showcasing the website related to the second iteration of Serum, but of course you can also find the first one available in the same format. Once you have the plugin ready to use, it is usually going to arrive in a specific format that you will drop into a folder. So grab the files, usually in the VST format, and access the preferences. Inside of the preferences for Ableton, access the plugins category, and under plugins you will find it here, VST2 plugins custom folder. So basically, set up a folder where you will drop these files. It can be any folder on your computer. So choose browse, select the folder, and drag and drop the Serum VST files inside of that folder. Once you have Serum loaded into that folder, Ableton should be able to scan the folder, detect the VST files, and load Serum into Ableton Live. If it doesn't work, restart the program. Once Serum has been detected, it is going to be available under the plugins category, and you will find it here, labeled as such. Now you can double click on Serum or drag it over a specific track that you have. You can also look at the bottom left corner of the screen and then click on this little icon here. This will also open up the Serum interface, and now you are ready to use it. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, because as you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.